Hey loves, I'm Brianna. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a day in the life. I'm going to take you along on what my day currently looks like. Before we do that, I just wanted to introduce my sweet friend CRISSY Marie to you. We are collaborating on today's video. She's also doing a day in the life over on her channel, CRISSY Marie, here on YouTube. She has the cutest 3 little girls. She always has them dressed impeccably, like she has the best style, but she does day in the life, decluttering, organizing, decor videos over on her channel. So I know that you will absolutely love her videos too. So when you're done watching mine, please use the link in my description box and check out CRISSY's channel. Tell her that I sent you and subscribe to her videos. And if CRISSY sent you over here, hey, I'm Brianna. I'm a mom of 3. We're living in Hawaii and we're originally from Ohio. And this summer I'm going to be kind of sharing updates as far as us moving here. I do lots of cleaning and organizing. I just share my motherhood journey. Let's get started and you can kind of see what a day in my life currently looks like here in Hawaii. Hey, good morning.
Say a bunch of stuff you never mean.
So my day starts out feeding Hey, who just turned 6 months old this week. Time is flying. Time is a thief. Then I get the big kids their breakfast, make my coffee, and get myself ready for the school run.
We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love. Even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Not sure what I expected.
Oh no! Oh,
Think you
sandwich, family, sandwich, family, sandwich.
I know it better. Said it more than
Bye, love you.
you take my love for granted.
I love you. Have a good day, okay?
Mommy said he has stuff that he goes that way.
Love you. Yeah, he goes that way.
Okay.
Yeah.
Getting closer to just being nothing else.
We got halfway to school and realized that Presley forgot her flowers that she needed for the ceremony today. So we had to run back and get them, and now we are late.
That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe.
Once we're back home, I'll put Hayden down for a nap, and Adam isn't home, so I went for a quick run.
Nothing more to say. Let's just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we do.
Who's so handsome? Oh my gosh, that burp. Oh my. Excuse me. Say excuse me. Your mouth burps. You're getting so big. He already has 2 teeth that have come through on the bottom. Huh? Your teeth? You show me your teeth? You show me them? Not now. This is breakfast for today.
Yeah, so I definitely think that that makes sense as far as what we were thinking. The only thing is then the coloring is a big deal for us. So if there's any way to make that possible, the customization is going to be huge for us. So, but I am really excited. I know Bri is.
I know, I cannot wait.
But yeah.
Who's the stinker? You're just all about sticking out that tongue these days, huh? You think that's funny?
Say what? say what you mean. Don't waste your time being mad at me.
And on this day, I had some content that I had to work on later in the afternoon, so I showered after my run and then did my hair and my makeup.
Get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done.
Okay, it is after 11 o'clock. Finally got myself ready because Hayden's down for a nap, so hopefully he stays asleep. I have a couple of pictures that I need to shoot for a brand really quickly. And I just would like to clean up like the kitchen and the living room area a little bit before I have to go get the kids from school. So like, I feel like the days just kind of fly by when they're at school because there's just like always so much to do between Hayden and work. Okay, here's my, I guess, second outfit for the day since I wore my workout outfit for the drop off. But I love this little, it's like a two-piece set. It kind of looks like a romper though, but it's from Amazon. Kimberly from the Wad Squad recommended this, and so I got it because it was $26 on Amazon. It comes in like a ton of different colors too, but it is like so soft and cozy. So thanks, Kim, for the recommendation. I love it.
Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you.
Just in case no one told you today, you are amazing. There is so much work that goes on behind the scenes when you're a mom or when you're working at home. So I just want you to know how much you are appreciated. And if you're feeling burnt out, that is so normal because the cleaning and all the things you're always thinking about as a mom or for taking care of your home, it can just take up so much mental capacity. And that gets really overwhelming sometimes. So I hope that this gives you a little bit of cleaning motivation if you need it today. I know that it always helps me when my space gets cleaned so that I feel a little bit less overwhelmed. And as always, if you need me to pray about anything that you're going through right now, let me know in the comments. And let me know in the comments if you guys want to see a house tour of this home before we move, or if you have any other video requests, let me know those in the comments too.
What to do? Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done.
Okay, I wanted to give you guys a little inside look behind the scenes at some of the content we had to shoot for an Instagram campaign that I'm working on. We had a couple pictures to take, and it's actually going to be a giveaway so that you can win a new computer. So check this one out over on Instagram soon. I think it's getting posted next week. But
Stay lapped, Hayden. Or stay latched, Hayden. No nip slips. No Janet Jacksons.
But before we take any pictures, there's usually a call with the brand or guidelines that they send that you have to make sure to follow all the rules and requirements. So like make sure everything is planned. A lot of times you have to make sure there's no other products like labels or logos on your clothes. So Adam helped me shoot the pictures for this one, and then I will write the caption, and I send everything to my manager who sends it to the brand to review, and then once the brand approves, I can post it. So if you have any other questions about behind the scenes stuff though, let me know, and I'll try to do a video about that soon if it seems like there's enough people interested. Okay, I don't have that much time before I have to do the school run, and I have not wrapped Presley's birthday presents yet. Her birthday's tomorrow, so like I have to do it before she gets home. So I'll do like a little haul of what I got her for her birthday. So she wanted all like Cinderella, like she wanted a Cinderella birthday party. So I tried to find as many Cinderella and just like things that she would like. So she like loves getting her nails done. She's like such a girly girl. So I just got her, there's like a glitter nail kit. And I think this is just, it was like Cinderella color polish kind of. I tried to like coordinate everything. I don't know if anybody else does that, like when your kid's into something. But I thought this was like a Cinderella kind of bag. Oh, here. I also found, it's like blue star wrapping paper. It was like the closest thing I could find that looked like Cinderella-ish. And then I got this to decorate tomorrow. And yeah, this is like tissue paper that's like white with little gold specks. And then I know she's going to love this. Like every time we see these at the store, she's like, I want the floor for my birthday. So I got her that one. And then I found, this was random. It was like in the dollar spot. It's like a magnet Cinderella dress up. Figured she would like that. Then there was a Cinderella dress up dress, and she actually didn't have one of these. Like she has some of the other princesses, but she doesn't have this one. So thought that one was good. I got this for wrapping and these little plates for the cake, which I called today in the car after school drop off. And why did I wait till the day before her birthday? I don't know. It's just life right now. They don't have white buttercream. She doesn't only have chocolate, which is fine because Presley actually loves chocolate. Like I know she would rather have a chocolate cake, but it just might not look like, it might not match like the rest of the Cinderella stuff. I'm like, whatever. And she's like, there is a chance that we will get the shipment in. Like that's just one of the things living on an island. Like shipments, you just never know. Like, and they're out of things randomly all the time. She's like, there's a chance we could get the shipment in today or tomorrow. If we do, I'll make it blue. But if not, it's going to be a chocolate cake with chocolate frosting. And she said she has gold, like sprinkle glitter. So I was like, that sounds great. And she's like, if there is blue though, I'll do that. And I think she said that there was like a Cinderella doll or something that she could put on it. I don't know. So last thing I got for her was the Cinderella Barbie. So worst case, I'll like stick this on the cake or something. But okay, I'm gonna try to wrap this up really fast before I have to pick up the big kids from school. And I know she's gonna be so confused because she's gonna open this and be like, I'm getting a computer, but it's the only box. So I'm putting Cinderella dress in here. I love you, Presley. Mommy's doing her best. You'll understand someday.
Get a little lost in everybody's business. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size. Not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? On and on it goes, round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes, swinging down in life, you know.
Yeah, I made it to the pickup line with like 5 minutes to spare, so this is good. I'm starving, so I wanted to share with you guys some of my favorite snacks lately because I looked it up and I was wondering if maybe part of the reason I was feeling like so burnt out and tired all of the time was because I wasn't getting enough protein, because I think it's like you need up to 25 extra grams of protein a day when you're nursing. And I don't think I was even getting what's recommended for women, which is, I want to say it's like between 50 to 60 grams. I looked this up online, just Google it, in case I'm giving you the wrong numbers. But this Taco Bell cheddar crisp, they make it in a nacho flavor. There's also like a taco flavor that's really good too. There's like 14 grams of protein in half the bag. So if you end up eating the full bag, it's like a ton of protein. And then I found these at Target the other day, these Good and Gather protein bars. They're coconut chocolate, which I love the Luna ones, but they don't have as much protein as these. These have 13 grams, so I got these instead. So just do my little snack right now while I do the school run. Okay, I just want to let you guys know, I do not recommend that Good and Gather bar. It was so hard, like my jaw is in pain now. It didn't taste bad, but it was like so hard to chew. Like I still feel like it's like stuck in my teeth too. So I don't really recommend that one unless you like want your jaw to fall off. I just sent the big kids in because Hayden fell asleep back here, so I'm gonna try to let him take a little bit longer of a nap. But I was just thinking of a couple of things. I know like in the past, I had always gone all out when it came to decorating for the kids' birthdays. And I still like want to do that again in the future. I just don't know if anyone else is feeling this way. Like I am so burnt out. Like after the last year we had, it just is like, I need to rest, I need a break, and it's like every ounce of energy I have, I just want to like put it into actually just like playing with my kids or like spending time with my kids or doing things with them. And yeah, I just feel like the burnout is so real, and I'm trying so hard to actually allow myself to rest instead of like make myself feel even worse, if that makes sense. So that's why there's not going to be any crazy like decorate with me's for their birthdays like there have been years past on my channel. This year it's kind of like I would rather just have us like have so much fun all hanging out together than spend like the little bit of energy I feel like I have right now on like crazy decor. I don't know. So maybe I'm just talking through it because I'm like a little bit guilty. Like I don't want them to think that it's like, and they know that. Like your kids are gonna know you love them no matter what. They don't need crazy birthday decor, but yeah. Ready to make these bags?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. All right, you wanna help open these, Landon?
Away.
I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the world that is outside your walls. If I was God, I would save you, take you where you belonged. If I could, I would get something new, then I would have what it takes, make you feel like you're safe. All I need is just someone like you, someone like you, someone like you.
Mario!
Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you.
Time is gonna be close at the same time. Okay, because the mom gonna be full. 1, 2, 3.
Presley, you have to watch out. You can't jump right where Landon is, honey. Oh my gosh. All right, guys. Well, my battery's about to die, and I've got to get these guys baths and dinner, and that pretty much sums up our day. But thank you so much for watching this day in the life. Don't forget to check out Chrissy Marie. I'll have her video linked down in the description box below, and I will see you on my next video. Bye, loves. Can you say bye? Say bye.
Need someone like you.